Dear brothers and sisters, last night I had a dream that all Native Americans were fully integrated. The dream began as a reenactment in a living room. When the terrors began to come upon the people, they hid under a sheet for protection. I realized it was time for bed, so I tiptoed out of the room and went to sleep. I expected the reenactment to continue when I woke up the next morning, but to my surprise, everything had fast-forwarded, and I found everyone fully integrated in a Bible study taking place in the dining room. A person whose name means Christ follower had fixed the broken light switch and had turned on the light. In my dream, I saw many churches united as one, yet still unique. The one united church had many rooms. Some had distinctly talented choirs. Some had basketball courts that were used for both sports and performances. And others specialized in childcare and giving out cold cups of water. In my dream, I saw a family who was not a part of all this beautiful action. They were in their luxurious home where they ate breakfast on gold-leafed chargers of multiple sizes. They had many wine bottles. Restaurants called them to see if they wanted to order ahead for lunch. The woman responded that no, she hadn't called ahead this time. The lifestyle of this rich family reminded me of Matthew 19:23, which says, "And Jesus said to his disciples, 'Truly I say to you, only with difficulty will a rich person enter the kingdom of heaven.'" In other words, it is difficult for a rich person to be saved because he is pleased with the pleasures of this life. But with God, all things are possible. Whether you have a little or a lot, call upon the name of the Lord. Call ahead of time before his return. Call upon the name of the Lord to join the gathering around his throne in heaven. Call upon the name of the Lord and be saved, and we will dance on streets that are golden, the glorious bride and the great Son of Man. Let every tongue and tribe and nation join and rejoice in the song of the Lamb. Praise the Lord.
Every tongue and tribe and nation, we will join in the song of the Lamb.
Sing a song of celebration, lift up a shout of praise, for the bridegroom will come, the glorious one. And oh, we will look on his face. We'll go to a much better place. So dance with all your might, lift up your hands and clap for joy, for the time's drawing near, when he will appear. And oh, we will stand by his side. We will stand by